Hey, you look really quiet today. What happened?
Oh, I just feel tired, very tired.
Tired physically or mentally?
Both, actually. I've been studying English for months, but I still make many mistakes. Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Giving up? Really?
Yeah, I practice speaking every day, I watch English videos, I memorize vocabulary, but when I try to speak, I still get nervous.
Do you know something?
What?
Every successful person feels that way at the beginning.
Really?
Of course, nobody becomes great in one day.
But some people learn so fast.
Maybe, but you only see their success now. You don't see their struggles in the past.
Maybe you're right.
Let me ask you something. Can you speak English better now than last year?
Well, yes. Last year, I was afraid to say even one sentence.
Exactly. That means you're improving.
But my pronunciation is still not perfect.
Perfection takes time. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Really?
Absolutely. Making mistakes is normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
I know, but sometimes people laugh.
And sometimes people laugh because they don't understand the courage it takes to learn something new.
That's true.
Listen carefully. If you stop now, you will never know how good you can become. Imagine planting a tree.
A tree.
Yes, when you plant a tree, it doesn't grow overnight. First, you water it every day. Slowly, little by little, it grows stronger.
That sounds like learning English.
Exactly. Your effort is like water for the tree.
But sometimes I feel embarrassed when I speak English.
Why?
Because I speak slowly and I sometimes forget words.
That's normal. You know what's more important than speaking perfectly?
What?
Having the courage to try.
You always know how to motivate people.
Because I've felt the same way before.
You? But your English is really good now.
Now, yes, but years ago, I was terrible.
Seriously?
Seriously. I mispronounced many words. I was shy. I was afraid people would laugh at me.
So what changed?
I decided not to quit.
That simple?
Not simple, but powerful.
Did people laugh at you?
Oh, yes, many times.
What did you do?
I kept practicing anyway.
Wow.
You know, confidence doesn't come first.
It doesn't?
No, practice comes first, then confidence follows.
That actually makes sense.
Most people wait until they feel confident before they start.
Yeah, that's me sometimes.
But confident people become confident because they continue practicing.
I never thought about that before.
Let me tell you a story.
Okay.
There was a man who wanted to learn how to play the guitar. He couldn't even read music.
That's normal.
After 1 month, it still sounded bad.
Oh no.
After 6 months, it became a little better.
Little by little?
Exactly. Then after several years, he became amazing.
Because he didn't give up.
Exactly. Success is usually slow, but quitting is instant.
Wow, that sentence is powerful.
You can remember it whenever you feel tired.
Success is usually slow, but quitting is instant.
Exactly.
So can I tell you something honestly?
Of course.
Sometimes I compare myself to other people too much.
That's dangerous.
I know. When I see fluent English speakers online, I feel small.
Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle or ending.
That's another good sentence.
Because it's true.
So what should I do when I feel discouraged?
3 things.
Okay, I'm listening.
First, remember your progress. Second, practice a little every day.
Consistency.
Exactly. And third,
What's the third one?
be kind to yourself.
That's difficult sometimes.
I know, but learning becomes easier when you encourage yourself instead of criticizing yourself.
You sound like a teacher today.
Maybe I missed my true calling.
Maybe.
So, are you still thinking about giving up?
No, not anymore.
Good.
Actually, I feel motivated again.
That's what best friends are for.
Thank you.
Anytime.
You know what?
What?
Starting tomorrow, I will practice English even more.
That's the spirit.
And I won't be afraid of making mistakes anymore.
Perfect, because every mistake is one step closer to improvement.
Thank you for reminding me not to give up.
Always remember this.
What?
Slow progress is still progress.
Slow progress is still progress.
Exactly.
And never give up.
Never give up.